Most people will hook up their OpenClaw agent to a single model. What I've been teaching for the last 3 years is like all of these AIs have different strengths. It recognizes the word strategy and switches the brain to Opus 4.7.
Hi, my name is Joshua Aguirre, and I've been helping for-profits and nonprofits implement automated workflows for their organizations since 2014. I'm passionate about upskilling the underprivileged using agentic AI. At Cressio, we design, develop, and educate our partners on how to leverage AI and automation for their organizations. And we've been in this space a while. We built our business in 2012, and by 2023, we were launching classes and workshops around Colorado on how to adopt AI. Whether you're just getting started in AI or you're really deep in the weeds like us, we want to work with you. We pride ourselves on no vendor lock-ins, fully transparent and transferable solutions. So come learn how to architect your own solutions for your organization at the AI Hub hosted by the BBB.